Now, all of you know I bought a cheap Maybach, not a fake Maybach, a cheap Maybach, and it was cheap for a few reasons. Mechanically it's sound, but cosmetically had quite a few issues. And in today's video, we're gonna fix up as many of those issues as we can. We're talking about paint damage, painting. We're gonna take this in for paint. We got the major interior issues on the doors. We got some emblem issues, which coincidentally, literally this arrived on my doorstep 5 minutes ago. These are authentic, $1,000 worth of emblems. Okay, it wasn't 1,000. They're not cheap, but they weren't crazy expensive. Because y'all remember, this emblem is not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be here. It's a Maybach. It's supposed to be right there. Oh. Now we're doing the most complex issue first, paint, which means we got to get the car seats out of here because we're not going to see this for a minute for me, but for a few seconds for you guys. Yeah. Car seats in this thing, by the way, work great. So how's this for super random? I just found this in the Maybach, and I'm pretty sure this is not mine. I mean, my nose hairs are pretty deep in there. I'm excited to go see my friends at Fix Auto Provo, plus James's 812 is there as well. So we're gonna see the 812 as well. If you recall, this is one of the major blemishes that we have. We got a crack right there in the bumper. It's filthy, you can't see it. We got a scratch on the door right there. And the front bumper, the most blatant one right there. It's so dirty, I should wash it. But if you're wondering after all this time, do I still love the Maybach? Despite the wheel issue and the fact that we no longer have the Shelby F-150, which is the saddest thing of all. But the answer is yes, I still absolutely love the Mercedes Maybach. It's pretty cush, I'm gonna be honest. One reason I like to come here is I just get to reminisce about the good old Shelby that I used to have. That thing's looking clean, looking good, bro. Hey, we got the entire Fix Auto Provo crew in the Maybach. We're comfortable. We're combined 1,000 pounds plus in here. Combined 6'12", 18, 24 feet of individuals, and we got leg room for days. Can't even see you, bro. There we go. Yeah, you're here too.
Yeah, no,
I'm hidden.
You're hidden
That's how
back
big
there.
it is. I'm hidden.
You don't even make the cut. Sorry.
Hi, Mom. You need to get yourself a Ferrari.
I had one, bro. It was too. I'm not a Ferrari guy. It was too much for me. I'm not that guy anymore.
No?
No. James's 812 is looking absolutely massive. I wish you guys could understand how wide it is. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this car, obviously, because James is here. He's getting the work done. If you've seen his videos, which I'm sure you have, they are working on finishing James's 812 wide body kit. Absolutely nuts. Fix Auto's going to crush it, absolutely. Check back in a couple days. We back, baby. It's a little bit later. The Maybach is in pieces. It's in front of the showroom because Fix Auto Provo, these guys just know how to make me feel special. Front and center, the front bumper's totally taken off. We'll show you that as well. We got everything covered. Explain to me, is this paint?
This is paint.
Are we painting the door?
So this is paint for vinyl, which is what your door is.
No, it's leather. It's from an Italian cow raised on the pastures of Italy. No. Whatever it is, we're just saying it's leather from Italian cows.
It is leather, yes.
Right? Okay. So then we're gonna paint this.
Yes.
Because as I mentioned to everybody, this is torn off. It's not like this is sticky goo residue left on. This is torn off the original material. So we either got to replace that or get a new door or try to figure out how to repair it as quote unquote cheaply as possible because it had all of this carbon fiber stuff stuck to it and someone just tore it off. Okay, so we're gonna paint it.
Yes.
And that's the sample. You're feeling good about it.
This is one of the samples. I think I could go a hair darker.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go out darker.
And the risk reward on this is actually like, this is just, honestly, they're going out of their way to try to take care of me because if this doesn't take and doesn't work, what's the worst? We're gonna have to replace the door anyways to get it repaired. So might as well try to find the most cost-effective, easiest way to make it look better on the cheap Maybach. If you guys have misunderstood, the Maybach is cheap. Nothing Fix Auto does is cheap in the sense of it's cost effective. It's affordable for the consumer, but the quality is not cheap. That's what we're trying to clarify. Is that what we're saying? Nice hat, by the way. That looks so good on you guys.
Some handsome guy named
Dang,
Burlacher.
we're gonna get you guys some more gear for sure. Now the bumper, you've done this.
This was not planned. We were polishing your car.
Right. Which I should, as you're saying that, this whole corner section was dull.
It was dull.
You know how like I had the crack on the bumper? This whole corner section was dull, which creates a problem, right? Because when you paint, you got to blend. Well, if this is all dull, how far do you go without doing a full respray? So continue, sir.
So what happened is your clear coat was flaking here. We extended it and then took care of the whole quarter there But now, because we have to paint it the right way, we're gonna have to take this glass off. We're gonna have to paint the roof cell all the way to the front, which is a shortcut that they took before cutting it somewhere. Now, what we're gonna do is this is gonna look nice and glossy. It's not gonna look dull like it used to.
So we're gonna paint, you're gonna paint the whole roof?
Roof sail.
Not this,
No, not
just
that.
this.
So this guy.
All the way to the front
What
hood?
happened was, that's original clear coat, this is not.
Here's the question, because we already knew with the crack in the bumper and the overspray, someone tried to fix up a small fender bender accident, right? Did they try to respray kind of this hole and then they just stopped?
Essentially what happened is they did a big shortcut, which is a
Right.
big no-no. They just put clear coat to about here.
Yep.
And then they just transitioned it, but then that caused the flaking.
Right.
Therefore, that's why we're fixing this now the right way.
You know, when you buy cars, this is why you inspect them and you know what you're gonna get. But at the same time, this is why I was okay spending less on this Maybach, because I knew the issues that it did have were very fixable by a true professional. Fix Auto Provo here. Oh, you guys got the badge off, which is great, because we got new badges. We're gonna put those on. Front bumper's off. Where's the bumper? So here we go with the front bumper
So we primered the entire piece.
and ready for paint.
Well, not yet. We still gotta sand it.
Okay.
Find any other imperfections and primer it again if we need to. We are at the stage now where we could start prepping it for paint.
And you're gonna be done with all of this in 2 days?
Absolutely, it'll be done.
Kids are gonna be in the back seat. We got, I mean,
Totally safe.
I think I need the front bumper for St. George,
Oh, for
right?
sure.
Probably.
And these little guys too.
Yeah.
For when you
I
park.
need the parking sensors.
For when you park.
Yeah. Seems like a lot of work, but you guys just
You got it.
churn through it, right?
It's all good.
No problem. Dude, that hat looks bomb. Hit the link below. Burlacher clothing. Get the good stuff. And then we got the rear bumper here as well. Same thing. It's getting close. It's getting ready for paint. We're gonna get that thing cleaned up, throw it on the vehicle. And yeah, in 2 days we should be headed to St. George in my fresh mint Maybach. All right, the Maybach's done. We're gonna head to Provo, pick it up and see how it looks. Jerry's been sending me some picture updates. It looks amazing, but I haven't seen the final product yet. Hey, what's up? Hey, can we acknowledge first and foremost, what are you guys wearing? You're just looking good. That's all we're gonna say. I mean, they know obviously when I'm coming in, so they switch their hats real quick. But regardless, I appreciate it. We're repping. I mean, if you want some cool hats at a fair price, I'm your guy. Check burlacher.com. Now, this is the Ferrari. This is not what we're picking up today, obviously, but it's coming along. They made some progress. They're having discussions. They're still talking to James about the final color. So if you guys have an opinion on the color, go to James's channel. He's been talking about it. Put your comment down below. What color should James paint this? Leave it blue, purple, red, orange, gray, black, purple, blue, purple. Okay.
No.
Viola Pacife. You guys have done that before.
We have done that.
I just saw the Maybach, so I'm now focused on that. My attention has been, forget about the 812. We're back in the Maybach. She looks good. She's never looked so good. Honestly, she probably never has looked this good since the moment she rolled off the show floor. Now we're gonna cut to the chase and clarify one thing really quick. They don't typically do interior door panels and so forth, and so we, in the end, experimented with a few things, but there was really nothing that absolutely took, which is okay. That's the whole reason we wanted to experiment with that, because it was kind of a low risk thing. But Jerry does have friends, he does have partners, so we are going to come back and attack this another day. But this is a body shop. They do external. They don't really care about what you look like on the inside. Is that right?
No, we don't.
We do not.
Not at all.
So we are going to tackle this again another day, but just wanted to mention up front, we did not do the inner door yet. Stay tuned.
yet.
But the exterior, you guys had this thing sanded down just the other day. So we repainted this whole piece. Dude, it's never looked so good. Dude, look at the bumper. All right, everybody, check this out. This is so clean. Dude, this looks great. I say that surprised. I'm not surprised. I knew it was gonna look great, but you're always like relieved, especially when you're working with Jerry, that, you know, right?
Yeah, especially with me.
Yeah.
You know, I'm taking off this hat.
Yeah. No, absolutely killer, because we did not paint this panel, correct?
But we polished it.
But we painted this panel.
Correct.
But you polished the whole car, and the paint match, dude, looks great. So the whole bumper, as you guys can see, is perfect. You actually gonna make me get down here? This is getting awkward. Oh, yeah. You fixed this hole underneath here. That looks way better. That looks way better, bro. No, that looks awesome. And then the front, we had that huge gash, which was right here, right? Yep. Just a massive, it's gone. Yeah. Completely gone. We painted this, did not paint this. But it looks great. Now, again, this is a budget Maybach. We're being cost conscious. So we did not do a massive high-end, full extreme polish. Jerry, just being the genuine good person he is, just said, bro, let me touch it up just a little bit. And I was like, great, because we don't want to spend money on it, but we do want to make it look better.
We do. And at the end of the day, our work looks better because of it. There you go.
Right there. It was very dull, the whole car overall. Now, we never really knew for sure, but probably there was an accident, a little fender bender. I mean, there obviously was, because it'd been, the whole thing had been.
The whole thing's been.
So we cleaned up the whole car and it looks absolutely amazing. I've missed it, to be honest.
I would too.
Yeah. Now there is one piece missing. We are missing the actual all-important Maybach emblem, which I told him not to put on because I wanted to do it. I just ran out of money for labor.
I'll guide you.
Jerry's gonna guide me on this, but we do have the emblems right here. I mean, look at this. We're gonna throw it on real quick. I can't drive this car without the Maybach emblems. That's just like, why do you have a Maybach if you don't have? Okay, let's throw this on. Now we got some fresh emblems here. Where did
Jerry took it. Hey, Jerry
took it. Where'd Jerry?
Hold up, I gotta clean it.
Talking to your wife? Choosing his wife over me? Could you imagine? The gall. Now, check this though. We do have a special bonus piece. Look at this, baby. Now, to be clear, the 2017 S550 Maybach had a Mercedes emblem in the front. And so, true to form, I should keep this on there. But at the same time, I just think, yeah, it's a Maybach. Let's lean into it. It's not a fake Maybach, it's a real one. So let's put a real Maybach emblem on it, even though Mercedes didn't do it themselves. Oh, yeah. So, Lance.
Yes, sir.
What do we do, bro? We just yank it?
Hey, I'm not the tech. I sell the jobs. I don't do the jobs.
Oh, you sell the jobs.
I sell the jobs.
Typical sales guy selling the job doesn't actually do anything. This is the underside, right? So we need to pop that off.
There you go. Let's grab somebody who knows what they're doing.
It's kind of awkward. Oh, you got it? Pop and twist?
Pop and twist.
Pop and twist, Jerry. Pop and twist.
Pop and twist.
Yep, right here. I did that all by myself. All right, we're gonna document this, folks. This is true, authentic Mercedes eBay emblems.
Indeed.
Right there, is that the plan?
That's the plan.
Don't say I never do nothing. I do very minimal. That is different than nothing. All right, Lance, guide me. What do you think? We're doing the tip right there, right there. Send it. Makes me nervous. I've already messed it up. Bro, this is why I don't work on cars. Is it crooked?
No, you're good. We're good.
Jerry?
Peachy. Press, bro.
There you go. Good luck.
Don't you blow on it? Okay.
We got it. No, that's me.
Yeah.
I'm filming. Okay.
The second one's more important than the first because you got to be the same. What do you think, right there?
Tiny shade to the right. There you go. Blow it for good luck.
I read that in the instructions, bro. Etsy told me to do that. The hot air helps it molecularly combine with the paint.
Look at that.
This is good practice because I actually got to apply Audi emblems. That looks way better now, though. Look at that. Look at that. Now, we also got this one here that we can replace here, but I wasn't really sure, and we didn't really commit to that yet, so we may do this later. Maybe when we come back and do the interior doors.
¿Puedes sacar tu carro, por favor?
Oh, sim, claro, claro. Vamos. Aqui está Flávio.
Pintor, I hope
Sim?
you guys enjoy it.
Português.
Se vocês gostem do trabalho feito no Maybach.
Sim, muito bem, claro que sim. Oh, look at that camera. I've never noticed this before. That's actually pretty dope. The camera pops up. Did you see that? That's cool. Jerry can't hear me. It's a Maybach. Dude, that's such a big car. I forgot. We are going to come back for one extra special touch we're going to do on the Maybach that is not true to the 2017s, but I think once we do this, we're going to add some vinyl to it, and I think when you guys see that, that's good. But that's for a later video, but when you do see that, I think you're all going to say, okay, that's pretty cool. All right, fellas. I mean, it's in the sun, it's on point, but we got things to do. We got to head out. I'm going to St. George. Appreciate you guys, as always. Absolutely killing it. Fix Auto Provo, this is the place to be. They do insurance stuff, obviously, but if you are a special individual and have something that you really care about, these are the guys to do those side projects for you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh man, it's so nice in here. It feels so good in here. Two things, even though the Maybach was only gone for a quick minute, I gotta say, being back in the Maybach, it is nice. It is cush. Secondly, the Maybach emblem that we put up front there, now looking at that as I'm driving, I don't know why Mercedes didn't just commit to the Maybach emblem on the hood ornament to begin with, because that right there is worth $170,000. Just looking at that. Okay, slight exaggeration, but still, I think that's pretty cool. Looking at the Maybach emblem. Yeah, I like this car.